In the annals of automotive history, certain models stand out not just for their performance, but for the stories they tell and the legacies they embody. The Porsche 911 Turbo S Urban Bamboo pays homage to one such iconic predecessor, the legendary 959, while pushing the boundaries of contemporary automotive design and engineering. Adorned in a striking urban bamboo green, a hue that evokes the lush tranquility of nature amidst urban landscapes, the 911 Turbo S captivates with its blend of heritage and modernity. This special edition is more than a mere color choice. It is a tribute to Porsche's relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence, drawing inspiration from the groundbreaking 959 that revolutionized the supercar landscape. Underneath its distinctive exterior lies a powerhouse of performance and precision. The 911 Turbo S Urban Bamboo is propelled by a twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, meticulously engineered to deliver exhilarating acceleration and uncompromising speed. With each press of the accelerator, it pays homage to the spirit of the 959, channeling its legacy into a contemporary driving experience that excites and inspires. Inside the cabin, the homage to the 959 continues with a blend of luxurious materials and advanced technology. Fine leather upholstery, hand-stitched to perfection, envelopes the interior in comfort and sophistication. Carbon fiber accents, reminiscent of the 959's pioneering use of lightweight materials, adorn the dashboard and door panels, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. Technological innovation defines the driving experience of the 911 Turbo S Urban Bamboo. A state-of-the-art infotainment system, complete with touchscreen interface and voice recognition, keeps drivers connected and entertained on every journey. Advanced driver assistance features provide peace of mind, ensuring that every drive is as safe as it is exhilarating. Beyond its technical prowess and luxurious appointments, the 911 Turbo S Urban Bamboo symbolizes Porsche's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Embracing eco-friendly materials and manufacturing processes, it sets a new standard for performance cars that prioritize both power and planet. This dedication to sustainability echoes Porsche's ethos of engineering excellence with a conscience, ensuring a legacy that extends far beyond the confines of the racetrack. As it prepares to make its mark on the automotive world, the Porsche 911 Turbo S Urban Bamboo stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of the 959 and the relentless pursuit of perfection that defines Porsche as a mark. It is more than a car, it is a celebration of heritage, innovation, and the timeless allure of driving pleasure. With each curve and contour sculpted with purpose, it invites enthusiasts and connoisseurs alike to embrace the legacy of the 959 and experience the thrill of the 911 Turbo S in a new and unforgettable way.